You're fat.
What?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Ah! Why you?
You look good today.
Thanks. Why you?
Oh, you look gorgeous. Your hair is absolutely stunning. Thanks. Well, I bought you some glasses.
Oh, thanks. Hey, the broken thing got cheap, huh?
What, £1,000?
Oh yeah, you're an awesome friend. I love your hair.
What did you just do to my hair?
Nothing. Yeah. Do you want a game worth £1,000?
Sure. Can I keep the 1,000?
Yeah. Go. Yay!
Do you want £1,000,000 phone?
What, you think I'm cheap now, huh?
How about 5p?
Oh, that's expensive.